skin's been so dry lately. There's so many dead skin cells on it.
Yeah, that's gross.
What is our skin even made up of?
We learned it in anatomy class.
Really?
Yeah, I think that must have been the day you took a nap.
Probably. I think I need a review. What?
Yeah, we have a test on Monday, and Miss Mosley's going to be mad if we fail.
A test over what?
The integumentary system.
Oh, goodness.
Karina, I found those notes we were looking for the integumentary system.
Oh, what do they say?
Well, the most important thing is probably the integumentary system. It mostly serves for protection. It keeps the water and other molecules inside, and it keeps water and other things out. So that's why you're waterproof. It protects against damage and regulates heat loss and a couple other things, but they're not too important. It says it has two parts to it, an epidermis and a dermis, and the epidermis is composed of 5 layers, and it has no blood supply, so it's avascular. And it's responsible for making your skin waterproof because it's 5 layers of dead skin cells full of keratin, which is the waterproof protein. The first layer, the deepest layer, is the stratum basal, and it contains epidermal cells that receive the most nourishment. And then it says the stratum spinosum and stratum granulosum, and that's the next layer, and that's formed by the pushing up of daughter cells from the stratum basal. The stratum lucidum, that only occurs on the palms of your hands and the soles of your feet. The stratum corneum, which is the outermost layer, and it's 20 to 30 cell layers thick. That's probably why your skin looks flaky sometimes, because that's mostly dead skin cells. 20, 30 layers of dead skin cells. And it accounts for 3/4 of the entire epidermis. That's also where your melanin is produced, and that's the pigment that gives you the color of your skin. The dermis, it says here, it helps hold the body together, and it consists of dense fibrous connective tissue. It has 2 regions, the papillary layer and the reticular layer. The reticular layer is the deepest one, and it's containing blood vessels, sweat glands, oil glands, and also the phagocytes. So when you get a cut on your arm or on your leg, it keeps the bacteria that gets into the cut from getting any farther into your body. It attacks them and keeps the germs out. It also has collagen and elastic fibers, and that's responsible for toughness and hydration, and the elasticity is pretty much when you pull your skin like this, it goes back. And it kind of prevents you from having wrinkles. And then you go back, and it says the papillary layer, and that's the upper dermal layer, and it has little peg-like projections that furnish the epidermis above. And some of them house pain receptors, so when I pinch you like that,
ow!
Yeah, it hurts. So that's pretty much all you really need to know. There's other little things, but I can let you borrow the notes if you want.
Thanks. I didn't know there was so much information about this. I should probably stop sleeping in class.
Yeah, I think Miss Mosley would probably appreciate that.
Probably. The integumentary system seems like it's a lot of fun. There's a lot of problems that can go wrong. For example, you can get acne, you can get a sunburn, and there's even more severe burns. You can get 1st degree, 2nd degree, and 3rd degree.
What are you doing?
We graduate in a month, and I've got this.
Uh-oh.
What do I do?
Do you know what causes acne?
No.
Well, it's when your oil glands get blocked, with dirt or dead skin cells, and the pressure builds up in the pus and the oil and everything. It gets all gross, and it turns those little red dots on your nose.
Aww.
Yeah, but I use a medicated face wash, one you get from Kroger's, and you just scrub it on and wash it off, and it keeps your pores pretty clean and helps with acne a little. I guess sometimes I still get acne, and there's not really a way to prevent it completely, but it helps.
Cool. I guess I'll try that.
I think this is my acne wash right here.
Open it. Should I do it like the commercials do?
Absolutely.
Wow, Mikayla, thanks for teaching me everything I needed to know about the integumentary system. Hopefully I pass that test on Monday.
Yeah, no problem, girl. Like I said, you can borrow the notes. I don't care. And I think you'll be fine. It's not too complicated, although it has a few minor complications.
Yeah.
Kind of like the pimple on your nose.
Is it that noticeable?